Guys, it is windy out, so we're gonna see how this goes. I may or may not be able to run. Somewhat new build for this year. It's a 12S setup that I'm gonna make a pass with. All right, it's a VTE2. It's got a TP motor, a Mad Esc TP5860. So let's see here. Let this wind die down for a sec, hopefully, and then I'll see what I can do. All right, here we go. All right. Decent run. We'll see what she did, guys. All right. It's a little back and forth on the road from the wind, I think, but I made it work. So nice. We got that new FC body on there too, guys. The version 2, which I really like a lot. Stop. Read. Nice. 196. That's awesome. All right, you pop the hood. So it's really good number for it. I'm excited to push this thing some more, guys. I actually took this motor out of my DBXLE that I was running off-road 12S stuff with. So that's kind of cool. All right, so let's see, we got the Onyx 8300s, 5 wires, and 5 wires. The Mad Esc TP5860. Yeah, awesome. 196, sweet, good run. All right, guys.